Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to remove old device drivers in Windows 10, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. The difficult part with removing old device drivers is that there are a lot of drivers on a computer, so how would you sort it out each and every time? And updating them all at once is not the exact fix. So the procedure is as follows. Copy this term environment variables or simply type it in the Windows search bar. I'll paste it. Then click on this option, edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables and then click on new. In the variable name column, copy this command here, which is mentioned as devmgmr show non-present devices. I'll tell you what this does. The variable value will be 1. Click on OK and then click on OK here and then close this box. It will only show the list of non-present or less used devices, not updated devices in the device manager. Let me open the device manager for you. Press the Windows key and the R button to open the run window. Type the command devmgmt.msc and hit enter. Once you go to the device manager, it will only load the drivers which have not been used for quite a while. For example, in the batteries column, in the Bluetooth column, and then you can right click on these and select uninstall device, restart your computer, and these drivers will be automatically installed from the repository. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.